Hi, I'm Nancy Engel, and I live in Naples, Florida, full time. As far as how long it took to build the entire pool, it was only a matter of about 3 weeks, and that really surprised me because there was a tremendous amount of road work and sewer work going on our street alone. There was literally no street, and I didn't think they'd be able to accomplish what they did. But in spite of all the obstacles, they got in here, they got it done, and they got out, and it was perfect. Why we decided to put in a pool on this property is this happens to be a rental property we purchased as an investment, and we were told by the rental management company that it's ideal to have a pool, especially if you're going to do seasonal rentals, so we knew we had to put in a good one. What I like best about this backyard resort pool is the fact that this is a seasonal rental. It was very important to us to have one that sort of exuded that resort look, and this one does. What surprised me the most about this entire process was the ability to work so closely with Jackson Pools and in particular Chad Jackson on the design. As far as Jackson Pools Company and the people that work for them and Mr. Chad Jackson, I can't say enough about their professionalism and their follow-up, and I wouldn't think of using anyone else. And to validate that, I'm doing this video, and I hate having my picture taken, but I'm doing this because they were so good.